Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to use Rytr AI to write a YouTube video script and avoid plagiarism. Rytr is an AI assistant that helps you create high quality content. I used to go to the likes of Fiverr and Upwork to hire someone to help me write a script, but since I discovered Rytr, I have been writing my script myself, and I have been doing writing for a lot of people too and getting paid. So I am going to be straight with this. I'm not going to preamble. Let's go with the pricing first. There is a free plan and a saver plan and the unlimited plan. You can really use the free plan, but as time goes on, it's going to exhaust if you are someone who do writing very much, like you write most times. But personally, I went for the saver plan. This saver plan is just too very cheap. It's $9 per month and $90 per year. You have you are given a 2 month free. That makes a 12 more than 13-14 months. Now let's get to the main story of the day. If you need to write a script, a YouTube script, all you need to do is just click on start writing, and as you can see, these are a lot of scripts that I have written, and I'll start with the languages. There are different language here. There's English, and you can write with these different languages. And this is the tone. Depending on what and how you want your script to look like, you can select this tone for the AI to recognize the kind of script you're trying to write. For me, I choose convincing because I want my audience to be convinced when they read my script, when I finish making the video online and I upload on YouTube. Now, this is the main aspect of Rytr. You have a blog idea and outline. You have a blog section writing, and there's a lot of stuffs out there here too. But most thing I use Rytr to do is for blog idea, blog section, and video channel description, video description, and video idea. I'll start with this. The blog idea outline is basically if I am going to write a particular script and I really don't know how to go about it, how to start about it, and I really don't want to go online and copy someone else's content. So let's start with I want to talk about depression. What is depression? See, this is the primary keyword, and this is the number of variant. What does the number of variant, what does it mean? It means I want my AI to give me 3 particular topics. If you want one particular topics and you want the AI to write just one particular topics for you, you can choose one. Personally, I choose 3, so I can choose exactly what I want. What I want how my script to look like. And this is the creativity level. We have optimal, low, medium, high, max, and lex factor. Most times I use none because I want my YouTube script to be more factual. So let's see what our AI Rytr would do for us. So I clicked on write for me, and Rytr is writing for me. As you can see, we have different topics and everything is well outlined. The complete guide to depression and how to treat it, the introduction, what is depression, and also the keyword for the particular topic. And we have the causes of depression, the keyword for the causes of depression, how to treat depression, the keywords, and the conclusion. Well, this is another topic which says the complete guide, what is depression, causes, and you choose one and you start writing. So if I'm going to choose one, and this is it, I am going to choose this. So if I am going to write a script about what is this depression, all I need to do is just highlight what is depression, keyword, and you can see all of these items they came up immediately. I highlighted all these words. So all you need to do for you to get all this, to get exactly the definition of this particular topic, is just to click on paragraph. And the AI too will write exactly what depression is all about. Now it's writing. See, we have our definition here. And there are many types of depression. It has even given us the types of depression, and this is the same thing you would do for the causes, how to treat depression. And if you are not satisfied with these words, like you want more words, like probably you're giving a particular word count, and you want it to write, the AI to write more, this is where it stopped. Personally, I choose this and I say continue writing. And it's continue writing until you are satisfied. Now, let's go to the other aspect, which says the blog section writing. This is where you input what we have done here is just the same as what you're going to do here. It's just for you to copy out the title, you put the topic here, and then the keyword. Well, let's move to the next section. So let's go to so this is the video channel description. Well, all you need to do here is just this is the channel purpose. Okay, I am creating a channel, and the channel is all about health. All you need to do is just put it here and select your variant. So I think let's give it a try. And this is health and fitness. So the second one is okay. The third one is the video channel description. So you might, this is for the people, if you are trying to start a new channel and you run out of ideas on what to put in your video channel description, you can come here, write your the channel purpose, write it here, select the variant, and choose between the variants after clicking on write for me. And this is for the video description. Now, all you need to do is write the video description. Take for example, what is depression? What is depression? So I choose 3 variants, and my creativity level is none. And let's see if what we get. So see, depression is a mental illness that affects people over 8, blah 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 blah, and treatment options in this video. Learn more about the symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment. So the same thing happens in the second side. So you can actually choose between one of these two and you can add whatever you need to add to it. So this is the video idea. Okay, the video idea is just basically the same thing with this, but this is basically for YouTube. So all you need to do is just write keywords that we've gotten in the blog section here, and put it in the video idea. Select your number of variants and click on write for me, and that's it. You get your script written. Now, take for instance, okay, there's this script. This is a website that says depression, major depression in order. So now these are the symptoms. Okay, I want to copy this particular aspect of this person's script, and I want to avoid plagiarism. How can you do it with Rytr? So all you need to do is just copy and paste it into the dashboard here. Then come down here. See, you can only rephrase words when you have at least 50 to 100 words. See, it's not going to alight. So now, see, it's alighted. So these particular words, it's for somebody. I copied it in a website and I need to make it my own. And Rytr is a great tool that can do this for you. So all you need to do is just click on refresh and wait for the Rytr. See, now you have your own particular word which you have tried to avoid plagiarism. So all we need to do, if we need to check if this, let's check the plagiarism. See, the plagiarism results is no match were found. But if I copied directly from here, it's definitely going to find this website. So you can do the same for all of this, and trust me, you have your own script. So this will be the end of my video. And I hope you enjoy this video. Please kindly give it a like and a thumbs up, and share to your loved ones. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye bye.